Welcome back to the channel. Today me and my group will explain you and show you our website which we have developed. We are group G11. My name is Sushant and my team members' names are Sumeda, Umesh and Vaishnavi. So we have made an e-commerce website. E-commerce websites are online portals that facilitate online transactions of goods and service through means of the transfer of the information and funds over the internet. Looking forward to our objectives. Our main objectives are developing a business relation, as it is very easy to develop a business relation as the company can directly contact with the customer, and also providing a unique customer experience. This includes giving personalized experience to every customer who visits the online store, website or mobile app, plus 24/7 customer service, responding to their queries and engaging with the customers. So let's move forward to our website.
So here's the website for our e-shop, and you can see there's a pop-up here where you can subscribe to our newsletter by entering your email. Now here in the website, in the navigation bar, you can see there's home, products, new, recent, blog and login. You can view your profile here and search for products, and there's the cart. And here in this slider you can go shop category wise, like shop for men, shop women's. And here you can shop for all the products based on the category: shop men, women and shop for kids. And when you scroll down, you can see the trending products here and some special products and featured products of our e-shop. And here there are the collections, like popular products, winter collection, summer collection, and products on sale. All the products are displayed here, and the brands are also displayed. When you point on any product, you can either view it, wishlist it or sync it. And below there are the latest products being displayed and the latest news here. Like these are the blogs. You can read more if you want to. And other recently viewed products are shown here for easy access. And these are the features like free shipping worldwide, money back guarantee, payment gateways, online support, and these are the contact details for more information and accessing to your account from here. So now you can access this directly through the navigation bar. When you click on products, the products are displayed. When you go for new, the latest products, and on recents, the recently viewed products are displayed here. And when you go for blog, the blog comes up, and the login page is directed here. You can sign in. When you sign in, you're directly directed to the main page, logged in. If you don't have an account, you can create. So you can sign up, fill your details, and here is the website.
Okay, so when we open the website in our mobile, the first thing that pops up is a newsletter where we can enter our email ID and subscribe to it. Then when we click on dashboard, we have options such as home, products, new, recent, blog and login. So when we click on home, we get the home page. Then we have option here as shop for women or shop for men. Then we have products where all the products will be displayed with the description, which is name of the product, rating and price of the product. We also have products by their brands. Then in the new section, we have the latest product which are displayed. Then in the recent section, we have recent view, that is recently viewed products. Then in the blog section, we have things written by people about fashion or any clothing piece. Then we have 4 facilities, that is free shipping worldwide, 100% money back guarantee, many payment gateways, and 24/7 online support. Then in the footer, we have extras, information, my account, and also contact.
My name is Umesh Bhatti, and coming to the conclusion, we understood implementing HTML, CSS, JavaScript by developing the e-commerce website, that is e-shop website. We also understood how to make a responsive website and creative website by which the customer gets attractive towards the website and shop. We could successfully implement the concepts we learned. Thank you. And the references are W3 Schools Code Evo. Thank you.